Hello class 12 students. Once again I welcome you all in a video lecture on the topic India Bangladesh relation. When we are talking about India and Bangladesh, as we know that the Bangladesh got its existence only due to the effort of Indian government. So Indian government has a great contribution in the foundation of Bangladesh. But after the death of Mujibur Rahman, India and Bangladesh have many issues of conflict. The first issue of conflict between India and Bangladesh is sharing of Ganga and Brahmaputra river water. Then we are having conflict over India is unhappy with Bangladesh denial of the illegal immigration to India. First we will talk about sharing of Ganga and Brahmaputra waters. So Bangladesh is not satisfied the share it is getting of the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. Tista river, which originates from Sikkim and mainly flow from the Sikkim and Bangladesh, and it also provide almost 1/4 of irrigation in the Bangladesh, but in spite of it Bangladesh is not satisfied with its share. Then India is very much unhappy because Bangladesh deny of illegal immigration to India, and as we know they are residing in India, they are coming in India, and they are creating many problems. They are not only creating the problems of land and employment, but they are also creating many security problems. So it is a issue of big conflict between Bangladesh and India. Then it supports, Bangladesh supports anti-India fundamentalist group. As we know that the third point is it support anti-India fundamentalist group. The fundamentalist group like Lashkar-e-Toiba, Al-Qaeda, they are having they are using the Bangladesh, and they feel it is a safe place of safety, and these groups are playing the anti-India activities from the land of Bangladesh. Then Bangladesh also refused to allow Indian troops to move through its territory, and as we know that when it was a part of Pakistan, it always used the people of East Pakistan, they used the land of India and they moved to the West Pakistan. But in spite of it, Bangladesh refused to allow Indian troops to move through its territory to the northeastern, and it was very much painful for the Indian government. And then Bangladesh government thought that Indian government behaves like a regional bully on the issue of river water disputes. So here I want to say that in the South Asia there is a feeling that India is trying to behave like a regional bully, and it is interfering in the matters of different countries, interfering the internal matter of the different countries. Then we are also having a boundary disputes between the India and Bangladesh. Here, and Bangladesh always thinks that in the Chittagong hills, India tried to extract its natural resources, gas, and Bangladesh also blame about the unfair trade, and Bangladesh government think that it receives as much money it receives from exports, it is expending more on the imports. So these are the major issues of conflicts between the India and Bangladesh. But here I want to mention that in spite of it, there are many issues of cooperation also between the India and Bangladesh. So now we will see about the issue of cooperation. These are the issues of cooperation between India and Bangladesh. Commercial relation between India and Bangladesh has improved during the last 20 years. In 1996, India announced that some 13 goods from Bangladesh would have duty free, and in 2011 11 more items, mainly the textile related items, were got duty free. So India cannot blame for being the unfair trade with the Bangladesh. And if we are talking about the disaster management and environment question, the two countries have also worked together on the issues of disaster management and environmental issues. The Bangladesh and India have agreed to resolve the border dispute. In 2011, both sides agreed to exchange 162 enclaves of each other's territory. They also agreed to demarcate the last stretch of 6.5 kilometer of the 4096 kilometer border. Then India and Bangladesh Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, she actively cooperated with the India security agencies to destroy the base camp of insurgent group like the Alpha and the Manipur Repression Front, which has been causing lots of disturbance in the northeast of India. Presently, Bangladesh gets 25% of Tista waters and Feni rivers. Bangladesh wants 50-50 ratio, but the West Bengal government was opposed it. So, and here I want to say that Bangladesh is also a part of India Look East policy. The NDA government decided to change the name of key foreign approach that named in the work since the day of P.V. Narasimha Rao. The Look East policy, now it is known as Act East policy. India's will now to be strengthen this economic and strategic ties, and India and Bangladesh is having many issues of cooperation, but in spite of it, here I want to mention that in the South Asia, the relation between the countries are not very strong, and this is the great cause of the suffering, poverty in the South Asia. And when we are talking about Bangladesh and India, both these countries need to understand the problem, and they should restrict the interference of outsider power. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for the relation to improvement in the relation between the countries. That's all for today.